beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I was watching Jessica Alba's Vogue makeup video the other day where she shares her beauty tips, and she did her no makeup look tutorial. So I thought I would try and recreate her look with you guys today. It is making me a little bit nervous because it's a very, very natural look, and I normally do love to wear a more glam look. So she doesn't wear lashes. There's a whole lot of stuff that I'm so hooked on that she doesn't do in her videos. So let's just have fun and try something different. So that's what I'm going to do today, guys. So let's get right into the Jessica Alba Vogue Beauty Secrets no makeup look tutorial video. So she does start off using a lot of skincare. She does start off, as you can see in the video, she starts off with her fluffy headband and she applies a face mask. So I'm not sure which face mask she's using. I don't know if in these Vogue Beauty Secrets videos, they don't always tell you the products. I wish they did a lot of times, but then again, it makes it more, you know, real because it's not like an advertisement for products. So, but I would love to know what mask that is that she's using, but if you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments. Guys, I did do a mask already, but I'm not going to do it on camera with you guys, but I'll follow along with the makeup and the rest of the skincare. So here she's applying her moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my own moisturizer now. She lays on a lot of moisturizer. And so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I normally don't wear this much moisturizer. My skin is on the oily side, but for the purposes of following along, I want to do everything pretty much that she's doing that I can. So she does have her brows microbladed. I don't have microbladed brows, so I did do my brows already. I just penciled them in. And then she goes ahead and applies some eye gel. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put on some of these gels that I got. I wish I knew which ones that Jessica Alba is using in the video. Those clear ones look so good, but I don't know. So these are just some really great eye masks. So she does mention how this will catch fallout. So that's really great. So let's keep watching and see what this girl does, what she does next. So now she's applying her lip scrub, and then she's going to apply a lip balm on top. So as you guys can see, she's doing a lot of skincare prep before her actual makeup. So I do not have a lip scrub here, but I'm going to go ahead and put on a lip balm. And this one from ColourPop is amazing. I truly think this is my favorite lip balm ever. So now, guys, she's actually taking 2 primers. So this is something that I've never tried before, so I'm really excited to try this tip today that she's showing. So she takes 1 glow primer, and it looks like she's using the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. And then she uses a mattifying primer, and so I'm going to use this one from Laura Mercier. And so she applies the mattifying primer first. Actually, she puts it on her eyes, which is something different as well that I've never seen. So and then she applies it on her T-zone. So let me try to move these babies out of the way. These things are, my eye patches are huge compared to hers, I guess. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Yeah, these are in the way, guys. Wow. So let's see. So she puts the mattifying primer all over in her eyes. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then she takes the glowing primer and she puts that where she wants some glow. So I'll put that right on my kind of like my T-zone area. Okay, anyway, let's keep it moving. So now, thank God, she's gonna do her eyes now. So she's gonna brush. It looks like she's brushing through her brows with a brow spool with a brush. As I mentioned before, guys, I did do my brows already, so let's just keep it moving. So now this is something I've never tried either. She's going to take a white eyeshadow. So I'm going to take, and I believe it's a shimmer, I can't really tell, and she's using her fingers. So I'm going to use my fingers and I'm going to take this Tarte White shimmer shade and put this all over my eyes with my finger. I normally don't use my fingers, so this is a little different. And then she takes a brush and blends that out. This is actually a gorgeous color, and I used to do this look, but I haven't done this in so long. So this actually is really different for me. I don't know if I've ever worn shimmer all over my eyes like this, but anyway, that's actually really pretty. Wow. So now she's going to, it looks like now she's taking a shimmer bronze shade. So I have this shimmer bronze shade here, and so she's applying that with her brush all over her lid. So I'll go ahead and do that. It looks like she's using the IT Cosmetics brush, which is such a great brush. I don't have it, but it's really pretty. Wow. So now she's taking some eye shimmers, and it looks like she's taking a Giorgio Armani. I don't have Giorgio Armani, so let me see what I have here. She's taking a light champagne type of eye shimmer. I have this one from Laura Mercier. This is the Caviar Stick, and this is the shade Mystic Gold. So she's using an eye shimmer, an eye tint, and she's using that along her lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This is really pretty. I don't usually wear this much shimmer, so I was really scared. And now she's taking it looks like a darker shimmer shade. So I'm going to take another Laura Mercier Caviar Stick, and she's putting that, looks like, more in the middle of her eye. Then she blends it out. So now it looks like she took a champagne powder, and she's using that to go over where she just put the cream. So I'm just going to take this, again, this is a powder, and I'm just going to go right over that. And now she's taking some bronzer, and that looks like a shimmer bronzer. I really don't like to put this much shimmer in my eyes, but I'll do it. So I'll take some shimmer bronzer here, and it looks like she's using a shader brush. And she's just blending everything out. And then finally removes the eye gels. So this is a part that really got me excited because I loved how this looked when she did it. So she's gonna contour now. So she takes some cream foundation. So she's gonna use her fingers again, and she uses the cream foundation to highlight and contour. And she's using her finger. I gotta wipe my hands off, guys, because I feel like my hands have the eyeshadow on them. So that's not good. So first she contours. So I'm gonna take this e.l.f. contour kit. So I normally don't contour like this. I'm scared, guys, but you know, we gotta try different things, right? So this still doesn't look as, okay, that one is very dark. Okay, I'm a little afraid because I don't usually contour this much. I'm scared, guys. I never put this dark of a contour on my nose. So what do you think, guys? Oh, I'm scared. Did she put some on her chin? I think she put some on her chin too. Okay, so now she takes the light color foundation and she puts that on her face. I'll use so again, I'll use the e.l.f. contour kit here. So now, guys, she's taking her tinted moisturizer. So I guess she has her own tinted moisturizer from her beauty brand, Honest Beauty. So I have to try that. I've never tried that, guys. But I'm going to use my Tarte Marucca Oil Tinted Moisturizer. And so she's just applying the tinted moisturizer right over the contour with her beauty sponge. So I'm going to do that too. well. So that really blended out beautifully, and I'm really surprised because I was really scared of that contour, but actually it came out amazing. So now she's taking her concealer and she's putting that right under her eyes. And this is a little different too that she does here. She doesn't blend that out, the concealer out yet. Looks like she's taking her translucent powder in a very small brush, and she's just dabbing that powder where she wants to be mattified, but not everywhere. And as you guys can see, she is not wiping off the concealer yet, so that's really different for me. So take a really small brush and just put some powder. So she's just putting this down here on her nose, on her forehead, and then she's taking some cream. Oh no, she's taking some bronzer. So take my bronzer and tap off and go over the contour. Okay, thank God. Now she's gonna tap in the concealer. I'm so glad because I worry so much about concealer and eye creasing. So, and this is something I've never done before. So hopefully it looks okay, guys. But, oh, it's working. I was like, there's no way this is gonna work. Okay, it's working. So she's doing, what's that? Oh, eyeliner. Okay, let me get an eyeliner. And I have Urban Decay, and she puts that just on the outer portion of her eyes. So she's just putting that on the outer, under her lashes, like so. And then it looks like she uses her finger to smudge out that liner, so I'll do that. Well, that's pretty. That's really pretty. So then she's gonna curl her lashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then she puts on an eye mascara primer. I don't have it. It looks like her mascara from Honest Beauty comes with a primer and a mascara. I don't have that primer here with me right now, so I'm going to skip primer today, but it definitely does make a difference. So I'm just going to put on my regular mascara that I have here. She is doing her lips, and she's taking a nude tone lipstick or liquid lipstick, and she outlines her lips. As you guys can see, she uses this like a lip liner, and she said she overdraws her lips a little bit with this liquid lipstick. So I'm just taking a nude shade. This is Next from Sugar Pill, and then she pushes it in. And then this is something I've never tried before. She takes a darker type of nude lipstick and just puts this in the center. And normally I always put a light color in the center, so this is my first time trying a dark color in the center as opposed to a light color. So let's see how it comes out. Wow, it's really pretty. Wow. And then she does put lip balm on top of this lip combo here, so I'll just put some more lip balm on. And then she does put on a bit more powder. She just uses a stamping motion and just presses it in. So this is the finished look. I literally cannot believe the results. I can't believe how it worked out for me, because hopefully it looks good to you guys, but I never thought several of those steps were gonna work for me. I was literally like ready to abort the video. I was like, no, this isn't gonna work. But actually, I cannot believe the results. I love how it came out. So let me know what you guys think. Would you try this no makeup look, the Jessica Alba Vogue Beauty Secrets? Would you try any of her beauty secrets? I love a lot of them. So let me know if you try this look. Definitely tag me in your, if you do this look too. I definitely want to see your guys' look, or I tag you guys if you guys have a YouTube channel to try the no makeup look challenge. It's actually harder than it looks, but then, you know, then it looks like you have no makeup on, but it's actually harder to create that in some ways, or it's harder than it looks. So anyway, guys, I love you so much. I hope you're all doing amazing. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe and take part in my huge monthly makeup giveaway. I have a huge giveaway every month, and all my subscribers are entered into my giveaway, so definitely subscribe and you'll be entered to take part. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you're all doing amazing. Stay safe, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.